In the last video, I made biscuits. I made some 7-Up biscuits. Well, you know, we need some gravy for those biscuits, I think. So I'm gonna share with y'all a recipe that I have, well, we call it sawmill gravy, but sausage gravy. But we call it sawmill because I guess around the sawmills they used to make it. I don't know the history. Do you, Michael?
No, it sounds like
on that, but that's the only thing I can think of. All right, I'm using 6 pieces of bacon, a pound of sausage. I'm gonna just kind of break it up, and we're gonna cook all this until the sausage is completely done and the bacon's completely done. And I gotta add some more things to this. I've got salt and I've got pepper. I think it's like a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper because sawmill gravy is known for the pepper in it, the black pepper. So I'm adding 1 small chopped onion and a teaspoon of garlic. And that's it. You're just gonna let that cook. And I'm gonna keep kind of mashing him up. And it's gonna be delicious. This looks really, really good. It's totally done. And now I'm gonna sprinkle it with flour. And that'll tighten up our gravy. And let's see how much I'm using. I'm using 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And I may not use all of that. I'm going to stir that up. And you notice that I didn't drain our meat mixture. So that's going to give it that flavor. And you don't have to worry about when you put flour in a dish like this, a recipe like this, you don't have to worry, it's not gonna lump because we're not adding it to a liquid. Okay, next goes in our cream. Now, I have made sausage gravy with milk. I've made it with half and half. And today I am gonna use half and half. You could use whipping cream, but I mean, that's really, really, really rich. You could use a cup of half and half and a cup of milk, just, you know, kind of whatever you have. So we're gonna slowly add 2 cups of half and half. And I'm telling you what, you put some of this on a biscuit. You know that old saying about your tongue slapping your brains out? It'll do it. Look how pretty that is looking. Wow. And we'll let this cook for a few more minutes until it thickens up. It's gonna be delicious. And I'll give it a taste before I put a biscuit in it to make sure our seasonings are right. It looks like it could use a little bit more pepper.
Yep.
Because it's, don't you agree, Michael, that sawmill gravy is usually peppery? But Michael loves pepper. I'm surprised he doesn't put pepper on his cake. I mean, he loves, when I am fixing Michael's plate, and know he's not gonna be have salt and pepper near him. Well, I don't use salt for his food, but I make it, it's black. I cover it with pepper, where whatever I'm serving him is black. And he would probably like it a little bit more, wouldn't you?
I do like it.
I've never seen a man that liked black pepper so much. Okay, so this is bubbling, and it looks wonderful. And you know what? We think about this being a breakfast food, but it would be delicious at dinner, you know, with homemade biscuits and scrambled eggs. Be delicious. All right. I'm gonna give it a little taste, make sure our seasonings are right. They're right. They are right. And it's hot, Michael. It's hot. I should have added that other little bit of pepper. It's time to split one of those biscuits open. And
that biscuit looks good.
I know, doesn't it look good? Oh my gosh, this is such a hearty food. So look at that, y'all. We used to call this like poor man's food. Because on the farm, you know, the people had hogs and cows and chickens, and so this is something that was readily available in homes a long time ago. So good. Come to a bite, Teresa. We're gonna share.
You just want
Jesus
me
said to share.
Yes, he did. Nothing like a big old bite. Oh my goodness. That is the gravy that they make at the Paula Deen family kitchen in Pigeon Forge for breakfast. It's amazing.
Isn't it delicious? All right, here. Winter, chicken dinner, y'all. It's so good on these nippy mornings, nippy nights. So y'all enjoy. Hope you love it. And don't forget to hit subscribe when you open up this video, because that way I'll know to send notices to you. And of course, it's no charge to subscribe. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.